seven-figure settlement in truck versus car collision. Good afternoon, I'm attorney Neil Burns, and I want to talk today about an accident that happened a few years ago where our client was a victim. Unfortunately, she was killed in a motor vehicle accident on Route 2 in Concord. The defendant in this case, a driver of a 68,000-pound triaxle truck, illegally went through a red light and passed other vehicles that were stopped and moved into the wrong lane and collided into our client, who was legally going through a green light. She wasn't even the first car through the green light, and unfortunately killed her instantly. We represented the family, we represented the estate, and it was a tragic accident. She had 4 children, and one of them was in college. And what happened was unbelievable with respect to the insurance company, with respect to the work we had to do to get this family a 7-figure settlement. First of all, the truck driver was charged criminally and he was put in jail. Did the insurance company say, well, that's probably good enough to prove he was negligent? No. The insurance company wanted information. They wanted to take the deposition of the grieving husband. The insurance company wanted all sorts of things. I went to court, Concord District Court, time and time again when this gentleman was being charged. And in fact, I ended up taking his deposition in jail because the insurance company wouldn't settle. The insurance company's position was they wanted all the information before they paid anything or everything out. And the owners of the truck, the company, refused to admit that their driver was at fault. They said that they weren't sure, that he said that he had a green light when there were literally 100 vehicles stopped. It was close to rush hour, and everyone said the exact same thing to the police and to the state police that were there, that he had a red light. Not only was he at a red light, but he went flying through the red light at a high rate of speed, instantly killing our client. We pushed the insurance company until they finally offered the $1 million policy, but we didn't stop there. We insisted that the owners of the company, the owners of this lawn servicing company, this lawn maintenance company, that they pay something out of their pocket as well. And when they said no, they wouldn't do it, we went and got their personal financial information, or as much as we could, through the court, and we showed that they had money, that they had property, and we got them through their personal attorney to offer money, and we settled the case. We were tenacious. We would not stop until we got a full settlement for our client. Even though the insurance company wouldn't pay at the outset, even though the insurance company forced us to get the autopsy report and to get the police report and take the deposition of this guy in jail, we would not stop. We followed through, and we followed through, and we resolved the case for well into 7 figures. If you've been a victim, or if someone in your family has been a victim, call Burns and Jan. We're tenacious, we're aggressive, and we are effective in getting settlements and judgments against insurance companies and people who harm our clients. Please call us, Burns and Jan, 617-227-7423. Thank you.